Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with my next video on words of wisdom. And today we are going to remember Dr. Shrikant Ditchkar, who had a life dedicated to knowledge and service. And do you know by what name he is known to the whole world? He is known as the most qualified person in India. He is the one who obtained 20 degrees after appearing in 42 university examinations. Isn't it really great? Shrikant Ditchkar, who was born on 14th of September 1954, was known as the most qualified person in India. He obtained 20 degrees after appearing for 42 university examinations. He was also a bureaucrat, politician, known to be elected as the youngest MLA in the country at the age of 26. Dr. Shrikant Ditchkar, the most educated man and politician India ever had. This is something we need to memorize, and we should know the most educated politician India ever had. He was born in Marathi Kunbi family with agricultural background. He began as a medical doctor, that is MBBS, and MD from Nagpur. He did his law, that is LLB, with post-graduation in international law, that is LLM, and his Master of Business Administration, that is MBA, and in Bachelor of Journalism. He got his D. Lit, that is Doctor of Literature, degree in Sanskrit, the highest of any degree in a university. We can see here there's a chart over here. He started with MBBS, covered it all from LLB, Arts, Economics to Sanskrit. Then he single-handedly established the Sanskrit University in Maharashtra. In 1978, he was selected for IPS. Then he took the civil service exam again to become an IAS, and at the age of 26 he became the youngest MLA in the country. Most of his degrees are with first merit, and he has obtained several gold medals for his degrees. Between 1973 and 1990, he wrote 42 university examinations every summer and every winter, that is twice a year. In 1978, he appeared in Indian Civil Service examination conducted by Union Public Service Commission, that is the UPSC, got selected as a central civil servant under IPS, that is Indian Police Service Cadre, resigned again, appeared in the Indian Civil Service examination conducted again by Union Public Service Commission, and successfully joined as the central civil servant under IAS cadre, that is Indian Administrative Services, in 1980, but resigned after 4 months to contest his first general election. Here is a long list of the degrees that he had obtained. He is said to be Bharatiya Manisha ki pehchan anant gyan ke sagar. He was known so. Dr. Shrikant Ditchkar. From 14 September 1954 to 2nd June 2004, he was almost 50. He would be 50 in a few months. But he died in a car crash. We'll just read about it. Let us quickly read the degrees. Medical doctor, that is the MBBS and MD, law, LLB, post-graduation in international law, that is LLM, master in business administration, that is DBM and MBA, journalism, that is BJohn, MA public administration, MA sociology, MA economics, MA Sanskrit, MA history, MA English literature, MA philosophy, MA political science, MA ancient Indian history, culture and archaeology, MA psychology, D.Lit, that is Doctor of Literature in Sanskrit, the highest of any degree in a university, IPS, that is Indian Police Service examination in 1978, and IAS, Indian Administrative Services examination in 1980. This is mind-blowing record that no one has ever achieved in our country. In 1980, he was elected to Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, becoming the youngest MLA in the country at 26, and subsequently became a very powerful government minister holding 14 portfolios at a time. Usually, a minister gets 1 or 2 portfolios to look after. He was the person who got 14 portfolios. He had one of the biggest personal libraries in India with more than 52,000 books. This is really mind-blowing. Dr. Jichkar holds the Limca Book of Records for the most qualified person in India. Jichkar was also an academician, painter, professional photographer, and stage actor. What else do you want? He was all in one talented person. He was a member of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly from 1980 to 85, Maharashtra Legislative Council from 1986 to 92, and served as Minister of State Government of Maharashtra. He was a member of Rajya Sabha, India, 1992 to 1998. He founded Sandipani School at Nagpur in 1992. He unsuccessfully contested 1999 Lok Sabha election from Bhandara Gondia, that is Lok Sabha constituency, and 2004 Lok Sabha election from Ramtek Lok Sabha constituency by small margin of votes. The former Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament, he later had become a Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament. He died as his car collided with a bus or a truck on 2nd of June 2004 near Kundhali, which is approximately 60 kilometers from Nagpur. He was accompanied by his relative Dr. Sriram Dhavar. Both of them sustained multiple injuries. डॉक्टर श्रीकांत जिचकर भारत के सबसे क्वालिफाइड इंसान थे. डॉक्टर श्रीकांत जिचकर भारत के अब तक के सबसे योग्य इंसान थे. वे IAS, IPS, डॉक्टर, फोटोग्राफर, रेडियो ऑपरेटर, संस्कृति के ज्ञानी थे और केवल 25 वर्ष की आयु में MLA बने. 2004 में उनका दुखद निधन हो गया था. Let us never ever forget him. He being the most qualified and educated person of India, and above that, the most educated politician of India. I hope this video was really nice and it must have really inspired many of you. It is really great to know about such a person, I feel. We'll meet next Wednesday with another great personality. Till then, take good care of yourself and work hard.